Okay, this is a pretty simple body weight cardio workout. This one, make sure your knees are good. If you have bad knees and you can't bend down, or if you have a bad back and you can't reach forward and touch the floor or pretty close, don't do this one, or just modify it in a way where you're not bending the knees or the back that much. So the first one, we're going to do a double shuffle. So you're going to shuffle by moving the back foot up. There's one shuffle, there's two shuffles, and you're going to reach with your inside foot with your outside hand. And you're going to do two shuffles this way, reach outside hand, inside foot, okay? So shuffle, move the back leg up, 1, 2, reach, 1, 2, reach, shuffle, 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 shuffle. See how I'm doing that? So the way to modify that would be to do a shorter shuffle, shuffle 1, shuffle 2, just touch the knee, shuffle, shuffle, touch the knee, shuffle, shuffle, touch the knee, going back and forth. Okay? Next thing we're going to do, in addition to that, so first you're going to do 10 of those inside. Next one you're doing what's called a seal jack. So you're going to start out with the feet out wide, arms out wide, cross the feet and the arms, jump out, cross it the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do 10 of those. So 10 side shuffles each way, 10 seal jacks, 5 sets of each of those.